I got myself a jar. I went to a river and filled it with sand and stones from this beautiful place. I looked for something more to add, but in the end, I just added one big rock for structure and some water. And wow, I love the way it looks. At first, the jar didn't really show any life until I came back after 10 minutes and it was full of life. Just look how amazing this is. I may have made another jar too, with even more life from day one.